What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen. It's a me video. I'm recording myself today. So, I decided I'm giving a Christmas party. And so you have to have things to eat at your Christmas party, but you don't want a whole bunch of food. You want something that's quick and that they can use their fingers, that's not that messy. I'm doing chicken sliders. Quick, easy, a couple of things that you need. I went to my local grocery store, got a rotisserie chicken, already cooked, peeled the skin off, pulled the chicken apart, got my best rolls I wanted to use, and whatever cheese you like. I got provolone, but you get like Monterey Jack, Kobe, any cheese that you want to put on it. And it's quick, it's easy, and it's something that your guests will like. I think it will get them full while they're drinking. They have something on their stomach. It's the holidays. You want to have fun. Don't worry about making a whole bunch of big meals. Make a whole bunch of little meals. Something that your family and friends will just pick up and eat. Yeah. And welcome to my channel, new Soul Squads. Yes, hope you guys been enjoying the video. Thank you everyone for purchasing my flour. I just want to say thank you for a lot of things. This is the time to be giving. It's the holidays. Our hearts are filled with joy. Hopefully everybody and family and friends are doing well. So yeah, welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. It's going to be almost a hand video just because I am recording myself, guys. But it's going to be quick. It's going to be easy. Less than 30 minutes. So guys, here we go. I got my shredded chicken from my whole rotisserie. I got my favorite buns. These are my favorite rolls. They don't have to be yours because they're kind of expensive on the expensive side, but this is what I like. And provolone cheese. And you need a pan, to cook it in. Let me put this thing up just a little bit. And you need a pan to cook it in. But this is the pan I'm using. But the first thing we're going to do is you're going to take your knife and you're going to set your chicken to the side.
I know that's right.
My mother on the telephone, y'all, talking to her sister. Her sister be down here. That's Aunt Lorraine she's talking to. Everybody know Aunt Lorraine. So, I'm taking my rolls out. Everything to the side. Take your knife and you're just going to cut. And you know what? You can't use a bread knife, but I didn't. And that's what I should have used. Is make sure my cut go all the way through. Because sometimes you can mess up. And this is what I'm doing. Trying to make sure my cut goes all the way through. Because unfortunately, I'm not using the best knife. So, here it is. There you go. Taking my bottom ones. Of course, she messed it up. It's okay. Stick it in there just like this. Just like that. In your pan. Take my cheese. Sit to the side. And I'm going to stick just like this. There's 2 pieces. I'm telling you, your family and friends will love this. Just because they're drinking alcohol, they're having fun, it's Christmas. You can have some chips. Be careful, make sure it's not 2. I think this one is 2, see? Provolone cheese stick together. And just put them on top of each other like that. Layer them. Layer them, or Ooh, she can't talk. Then you're gonna take your cheese. See? Whatever cheese you choose to use. Quick sandwiches. And take your chicken. And you're just gonna put. And if you want to go all out and roast your own chicken, you know, do what you do. If you want to do lunch meat, I just saw chicken that was already cooked. You don't want to be in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying, for a whole bunch of hours. This is something that is quick and easy and manageable. Put as much chicken as you want on here, guys. I'm using it all. Look at that. Now, you can top it with more cheese. But the first roll, I did 3. I'm just doing 2 for the top. Some really good cheesy cheese. Man, tell you, add some Dijon mustard or something on the roll before you put the cheese on. That may take your sandwich to a different level. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you. So, going in with my top layer. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, guess what? My oven is ready. And what do I have here? I have some melted margarine and garlic. A half a stick of margarine and garlic. I'm telling you. Once these come out the oven on 375, because you want that cheese to melt, just get that garlic and that butter all up in these sliders. I'm telling you, your family will love these. They would think they're eating garlic bread. Look at that. I could smell the garlic. And then they're just pull awayable. But what we're going to do is that when they're done and cool, we're just going to follow the lines and cut them. So when they start to pull away, they'll just be oozing cheese. And I got to do decorations because you want them sitting up on your table. That's why your package sitting pretty. Look at that. Just putting a little bit of garlic on there. Y'all say because I got the little end, guys. And I like the presentation to be on point. There it is. I'm going to place this in the oven. My parsley went down. This going in the oven on 375, guys. Be right back. So, guys, look at this. How golden brown and toasty they are. Take your knife, cut on the lines, just like this. And if you had like some spicy mayonnaise, you know, take some mayonnaise and hot sauce, mix it up in a bowl so they could have a spoon there and they could put it on the side of their plates. I'm just gonna pull away one. And it's hot too. We're gonna pull away one. Look at that. Your friends is gonna love this. Look at that Parmesan cheese. You want a more cheesier cheese. This is what I wanted, you know, what I wanted to use. It is so good. God. Get this in some mustard. Honey mustard. The garlic. And the cheese. And the sweetness of the Hawaiian roll. Honey, this is amazing. Can't talk my mouth full. This is so good. The sweetness of the wine roll. Mmm. If you could catch, mm, mm. If you could catch a wine rolls on sale, use a wine rolls. The sweetness of the roll, the cheese and the chicken. Make some spicy mayo, so they could take a spoon, put it on the side of their plate to dip it in, or have some Dijon mustard out. Spicy mayo is just some hot sauce and mayonnaise mixed up together as a dipping sauce with a spoon. They can put it on the side of their plate. Until next time, like, share, subscribe. Happy holidays. Your girl, I am out.